Today we'll go ahead with the progressions, that is harmonic progressions. See, numerator should be 1 and denominator should be in AP, arithmetic progression. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So A15, ninth element is 1 by 15. 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term in the denominator, that is root. If 3 terms are in HP, the reciprocals will be in AP, arithmetic progressions. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the progressions, that is harmonic progressions. So now, first before I start this, what is harmonic progression? If the terms are in the form of 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, we say they are in harmonic progression. Means the denominators of each term, see, numerator should be 1 and denominator should be in AP, arithmetic progression. Then we say they are in harmonic progression. What is a Tn? General term is 1 divided by A plus n minus 1 into D. This is a general term of harmonic progression. See here, for example, I'll have 1 by 5 plus, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 11. See, denominators are all in AP. 5, 7, 9, 11, they are in AP because they have a difference called 2. They have common difference 2. Therefore, denominators are in AP. If the problem is in the form of 1 by terms, then if the denominators are in AP, then we say they are in HP, harmonic progression. What is the general form of harmonic progression? 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, 1 by A plus 3D, so on, 1 by A plus n minus 1 into T. This is a general term. What is the general term in harmonic progression? 1 divided by A plus n minus 1 into D. It is easy. You know general term in AP. What is general term in AP? A plus n minus 1 into D. So we learned that general term in AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. Same thing this is in AP, arithmetic progression. Harmonic progression, Tn is same thing, reciprocal, 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. So reciprocal of AP constitutes harmonic progression, HP. Okay, so now going ahead, we'll solve the problems. They want fifth element of HP, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, 1 by 7, 1 by 9. So solution starts with taking the terms 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all in AP. The denominators are in AP. So A is what? 3. What is the difference? 5 minus 3, that is 2. Or you can take 7 minus 5, that is also 2. So A you got 3. Common difference you got 2. They want fifth element. If you want to write the fifth element, write the general term. What is the general term in HP? Tn, or you can say An, is 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. That is, they want fifth element, T5 or A5, 1 by A plus, A means the first term, that is 3, plus n minus 1, 5 minus 1 into common difference. What is the common difference? 2. Simplify this. So 1 divided by 3 plus 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 into 2, 1 divided by 3 plus 8, 1 divided by 11. So therefore, fifth term A5 or we say T5 is 1 by 11. I hope all of you understood this. Next we have, find the ninth element of harmonic progression, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 10. See the denominators. The denominators are 7, 8, 9, 10. They are in arithmetic progression. So here A is what? 7, the first term. Common difference is what? You can take 8 minus 7 or you can take 9 minus 8, it is 1. So you got common difference also. What is common difference? 1. What is the first term? 7. And they want ninth element. N is 9 and they want ninth element. They want A9. A9 is question mark. So now we'll go to this using the formula. What is An? For HP, An is 1 by A plus n minus 1 into D. That is 1 by A plus, what is A? 7 plus n minus 1. What is n? 9 minus 1 into common difference is 1. So A9 is equal to 1 divided by 7 plus 8. So 1 divided by, because 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 becomes how much? 15. 1 by 15. A ninth element is 15. 1 by 15. Start from 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So A 15. A ninth element is 1 by 15. Next, seventh element of HP 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 root 2, 1 by 3 root 2, like that. So now denominators, if you take denominators 2, root 2, then 2 root 2, then 3 times root 2, so on. So A means the first term. What is the first term in denominator? Root 2. Common difference is 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is root 2. 2 minus 1 is what? 1 root. Common difference you have, A you have, and they want you to find seventh element. Seventh element means n is 7, and we use the formula an. What is an in HP? 1 divided by a plus n minus 1 into common difference. So we need a7, seventh element. 1 divided by a plus. A plus means what? A is what? Root 2 plus 7 minus 1 into common difference, that is root 2 again, that is 1 divided by root 2 plus 6 root 2. You know, root 2 plus 6 root 2 is 7 root 2. 1 by 7 root 2. Simple. A 7. So we got seventh element of HP, that is 1 by 7 root 2. And common sense. First term is 1 by 1 root 2. Second 1 by 2 root 2. Third 1 by 3 root 2. Fourth 1 by 4 root 2. Seventh 12 by 1 by 7 root 2. That's it. But we have to use the methodology, and we have to use the formula for nth term of HP. What is the nth term of HP? 1 by a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term in the denominator, that is root, and common difference is difference between the denominators. I hope all of you understood this. Now we'll go to the next problem. Find x if 1 by 3, x 3 by 2 are in HP. See, given 1 by 3, comma x, comma 3 by 2 are in harmonic progression. All of you know reciprocals will be in AP. That implies, I can say, reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3. Reciprocal of x is 1 by x. Reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Are in what? AP. They gave HP. I converted them to AP. If 3 terms are in HP, the reciprocals will be in AP, arithmetic progressions. Now, if 3 terms are in AP, so we have learnt if A, comma, B, comma, C are in AP, then we have a rule. What is the rule? B, the middle term, then B is equal to A plus C by 2. The middle term is first plus last by 2. So here the middle term, what is the middle term? 1 by x is 3 plus 2 by 3 by 2. That is 1 by x is, so numerator 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 divided by 3 by 2 comes to denominator, that is 1 by x is 11 by 6. 1 by x is 11 by 6. Take reciprocal, x is 6 by 11. X is 6 by 11. Here 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 by 3, 11 by 3 into 2, 11 by 6. 1 by x is 11 by 6, x is 6 by 11. Then if the fourth term of HP is 3 by 4 and seventh term of HP is 2 by 3, find the 10th term. So they gave T4 or A4. A4 is 3 by 4. Or take reciprocal. So now take reciprocal. So 3 by 4 reciprocal is fourth term of HP. That implies reciprocal 4 by 3 is fourth term of AP. Fourth term of what? AP. Reciprocal. So therefore we got A4. A4 is 4 by 3 in AP. In AP it is A plus 4 minus 1 into D is 4 by 3. Or can I say A plus 3D is 4 by 3. This is one equation I got. And second step they go seventh term A7. So they give 2 by 3 is A7 for HP. So that implies reciprocal 3 by 2. reciprocal 3 by 2 is A7 for AP. So therefore A7 means what? A7 means A plus 7 minus 1 into D is 3 by 2, or A plus 6D is 3 by 2. So we have two simultaneous equations, solve them. All of you know how to solve the equations. I will perform 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus 1, if you do LHS minus LHS, what is LHS? A plus 6D and A plus 3D. RHS minus RHS. RHS is what? A plus, sorry, RHS is 3 by 2 and here RHS is 4 by 3. When you subtract A cancels, this will become 3D and this will become 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3. So 3D is equal to, LCM is 6, 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 8, 3D is equal to 1 by 6 or D is equal to 1 by 18. 1 by 18 will get. This is for AP. For AP we got common difference. Then we need A. Substitute in any one of the equation. So here we'll get 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3. What is 3 by 2 minus 4 by 3? I take LCM 6, 3 3s are 9, minus 8, 1 by 6. Okay, now we got this common difference is 1 by 18 and substitute in any one of the term. So put this, or 3D is 1 by 6, put 3D. This itself you call it as 3 and put it in 1. What is 1? A plus 3D. A plus 1 by 6 is equal to 4 by 3. What is A? 4 by 3 minus 1 by 6. And from this A is what? 6 is the LCM. And 2, 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7 by 6. A you got. A you got, D you got. So now write what element they want? 10th element. So A10. A10 in AP. I am writing in AP, then I will reciprocate. A plus n minus 1 into D. A, what is A we got? A we got 7 by 6. 7 by 6 plus 9. D, D is what? D exactly we got 1 by 18. So 9 ones are 9 twos are. So it becomes 7 by 6 plus 1 by 2. So LCM is 6. 7 plus 3. So 10 by 6. 10 by 6 is what? 5. 2 5s are 2 3s are. So A10 is equal to 5 by 3 in AP. Therefore, in HP, A10 is reciprocal 3 by 5. This is the answer. I hope all of you understood. I converted AP to HP to AP, then I got the A and D, then I substituted, I got AP term and reciprocate, you will get HP. Always we cannot do directly the problems of HP, convert them to AP. Reciprocal of harmonic progression gives you arithmetic progression. From that create equations, solve equations, get the value of A and D, substitute, you will get the required results. So same technique you can use for the problem and solve problem 2. I hope all of you understood the problems, apply the same rules and solve. Thanks for attending the class. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.